Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, big day again today. The S&P 500 closed up about 2.5%, which is a pretty good move. Now, it wasn't quite as volatile as it has been the past couple of days, and the volume has been a little bit lower too. But there ends up being a couple of key things from a technical standpoint that are really pretty interesting. So first of all, if we look at the last few candles here, right? The low on Friday was 365.96. The low today was 357.28. So today's low was higher and today's high was lower. This is what's called an inside day. All the prices that traded today in SPY were inside of the range of Friday. So when we see an inside day like that, we start to look for a potential breakout coming out the next day. The next trading session, which in this case is the next day. Now, a couple of things here. We've got the 20-day moving average on the daily candle chart here, which is a very key moving indicator. Typically, when we see a stock cross through the 20-day moving average, we very often, not always, but very often get some follow through. Now, that said, from a sector standpoint, every sector was on fire today. There was just no weakness anywhere across the board. So that is a potential bullish indication. And if we go to and I believe I might have showed this last week, the 3-year weekly candles, that's bounced 4 days in a row off the 200-week moving average. All right? So that is a very strong technical indicator that at this point appears to be holding. I think if we bust below this, we could definitely get some follow through to the downside. And if we bust above the 20-day moving average on the daily candle chart, we could definitely get some follow through to the upside. So I believe that tomorrow could be a very key technical day. We could see a technical breakout setup in stocks form even potentially early in the morning. So keep an eye on that. Be careful. And this is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.